oftentimes people come here because they somehow know deep down they need to learn seed saving. A lot of times they're interested in permaculture. They've taken an online permaculture course and they know that they didn't study botany when they were younger. And I'm always fascinated to see, for some people, it's just coming here and sitting around a fire talking about the state of the world after dinner, or interacting with the animals that are here, or just they make a new friend. And so sometimes I just feel like I'm setting the stage. I'm maybe not the lead actor, if you will, even though I am the one teaching. I am more like the master of ceremonies, creating a variety show wherein people can discover oftentimes something that's deep down in their soul, a calling to participate in nature and participate in solutions, rather than just being on the sidelines and being a bystander as industrial civilization wobbles.